Hello, friends! Today we're making a simple, budget-friendly dish that works perfectly for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. All you need are 2 potatoes and 2 eggs, and in just a few minutes, you'll have something that's crispy, filling, and incredibly satisfying. Trust me, this is one of those recipes the whole family ends up loving. Let's get started. First, make sure your potatoes are well washed and clean. Then, peel your potatoes. Next, shred or thinly slice the potatoes into a bowl. I'm using a hand shredder here. It's quick, easy, and gives you evenly sized pieces, which helps everything cook nicely. Once shredded, cover the potatoes completely with cold water and let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Potatoes are naturally high in starch, and soaking them helps remove excess starch. This small step makes a big difference. It improves texture and helps the final dish cook up and crisp beautifully. After soaking, drain the potatoes thoroughly and gently pat them dry. Now, in a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk them gently. Add about 4 tablespoons or a quarter cup of water, which helps keep the mixture light. Then season with some salt. Next, add a quarter cup of all-purpose flour and whisk until you have a smooth batter. Pour this batter over the shredded potatoes and mix well, making sure every strand of potato is evenly coated. At this point, you're just a few minutes away from something really delicious. Next, lightly grease a pan with a little oil and set it over medium-low heat. Pour the potato mixture into the pan and spread it out evenly into a flat layer. Cover the pan and let it cook gently for about 6 to 8 minutes. This slower heat allows the potatoes to cook through while forming a beautiful golden crust underneath. After, remove the lid and carefully flip the potato. Cover again and let the other side cook for another 6 to 8 minutes until both sides are fully cooked and nicely browned. Where are you watching me from? Let us connect from around the world. Drop your country or city in the comments. And honestly, at this point, it already looks amazing. You could serve it just like this with some bacon or sausage on the side and call it a day. But if you want to take it up a notch, let's turn this into a pizza-style potato dish. Grab some cheese and grate it. I'm using mozzarella because it melts beautifully, but feel free to use any cheese you love. Next, slice up some fresh tomatoes. Now back to the pan. Sprinkle a generous layer of cheese evenly over the cooked potatoes. Then arrange the tomato slices on top. Finish with another light layer of cheese. Cover the pan once more and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the cheese is fully melted and bubbly. When you lift the lid, you're greeted with a dish that's golden, cheesy, and incredibly inviting. Carefully slide it onto a plate. Garnish with a little chopped parsley if you like. Slice it into triangles or bite sizes. Serve it hot and enjoy every bite. And there you have it. An easy, comforting meal made with just a few simple ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe and love practical food ideas like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I share easy recipes, smart kitchen tips, and food hacks that make everyday cooking simpler and more enjoyable. Let me know in the comments how you served this: breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and if you added your own twist. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.